Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome to Finance with Avrin. In this video, I'm going to tell you all about the new Marcus by Goldman Sachs $1,500 savings account bonus. Yes, and there are 3 tiers to this bonus. So if you don't qualify for the $1,500, there's also $750 at stake and $100 as well. And this is a great savings account. I'm going to get into all of the details here, including eligibility and the steps to obtain this bonus. And be sure to like the video if you find it informative or interesting, and subscribe to the channel Finance with Avrin for more ways to make your money work harder and smarter for you, as well as major finance news presented in an educational and unbiased way. Let's get into more information right here about this up to $1,500 bonus with Marcus by Goldman Sachs. First, starting with where to open this account and enroll in this bonus. So this is for new customers and existing customers. So for new customers, you just simply open a new online savings account with Marcus by Goldman Sachs online. And then once you open that account, you will enroll in this bonus. For existing customers, you just log in and enroll your account for this bonus. And there's a website and a phone number specifically where you can call and enroll in this bonus. And I'll show you that on the next slide here. This is just an overview right here. And the account that this is eligible for is their online savings account. They only have one savings account, and it is this one that is eligible for this bonus. And there is no kind of monthly maintenance fees or minimum initial balance requirements or initial deposit requirements or anything like that. However, you're going to want to fund this account soon, and I'll give you the whole timeline for this bonus and everything. And this isn't one of those bonuses where your money's just going to be sitting there just waiting to obtain that bonus. The Marcus by Goldman Sachs online savings account currently has an APY of 3.65%. So your money is going to be sitting there working for you while you're waiting on that bonus. So you're going to earn interest on that money that you've deposited into this account to earn that bonus. So it's a win-win situation. Not only could you obtain a nice bonus, but also you're going to earn some interest while doing it. And this is a limited time offer. Currently right now, it is stated that you must enroll in this bonus by March 11th, 2026. Let's get into the fine print details. First, starting with eligibility and sign up. So you're going to want to enroll a Marcus by Goldman Sachs online savings account in this offer, and you can do that at the website www.marcus/cash-bonus. So if you have an account, you just log in, follow the prompts to enroll your account. If you don't have an account, you just sign up for an account. This is like a normal, typical bank account. They're going to ask for your name, your address, phone number, and details about you to make sure you are who you say you are. And it's going to be a soft pull, so it won't be a hard pull on your credit. It won't ding that or knock that down or anything like that. This will just be a soft pull to verify you are who you say you are when opening this account. Standard bank account opening process with this one right here. So you could go that route via the website to enroll your account in this bonus, or you could do it by calling Marcus by Goldman Sachs at the number right there on the screen, 1-855-730-7283. And you need to enroll your account either online or via phone by 11:59 Eastern Time on March 11th, 2026. This is in the fine print. They don't state that in the main sections of the promotion about calling and doing it that way, but that is a way that you can enroll for the people out there that want to go that route. So that is an option. Now, upon successful enrollment, you will receive a confirmation of your enrollment via email or US mail. So that is nice. I do like it when bonuses let you know, like, hey, you're on the right track to receive this bonus and everything. Just keep following the steps and proceed. And they state that each customer is limited to one bonus offer. And now each account owner on a joint account will be treated as a separate customer. So if you apply for this bonus offer on a joint account, the remaining account owner may apply this offer to another account. So if you have a joint account going on, this won't tie up both of you to this bonus. It will tie up the main account owner. That will be the one like responsible for the bonus that their name will be under and everything like that. The other person on the account can decide to open up another account and enroll for this bonus as well separately, and you can stack the bonus that way. So that is a possibility, but there is just one bonus allowed per customer. Now that's eligibility and sign up. It's pretty much to the point right there. So you can be a new customer with Marcus by Goldman Sachs, go that route, sign up for the online savings account, and make sure you enroll that account in this this bonus. It's not just signing up for a new account and then you're automatically enrolled in this bonus. You need to enroll in this bonus because there are some very important dates with this bonus and funding it to be eligible for and receive the bonus. If you're an existing customer, it doesn't mean you're just automatically enrolled in this bonus. You'll need to log in, find that section, and then enroll in the specific bonus right here. So that's sign up and eligibility for this. Pretty straightforward and to the point. Now let's get into step number 2, which is very important and will determine your bonus amount. So with step number 2, it's all about depositing funds and maintaining those funds in the account. So there are 3 tiers to this bonus. You need to deposit at least $10,000, $50,000, or $100,000 into your enrolled account within 10 calendar days of enrollment, which that is called the funding period. So when you see that funding period, that's 10 days from when you enroll the account for this bonus. And your enrolled account is going to be called the enrolled account. So your savings account, you may see it be referred to as your enrolled account. That's your savings account that you have enrolled for this bonus. And once you start that process of enrolling that account for this bonus, you have 10 days to fund it to that certain amount of whichever bonus you're going for to obtain the bonus. But you're also going to need to maintain that balance. And this is very important right here. So if you're an existing customer, your eligible new funds must be above your enrolled account's starting balance and the total starting balance across all of your Marcus by Goldman Sachs accounts. So if you have a CD account with them, any other kind of Marcus by Goldman Sachs deposit type of account, that balance of total, whatever amount that is going to be your starting balance. So you can't dip below that. If you dip below that, it's going to change those new funds that you place in. Those new funds won't just go towards your new funds for the enrollment funding period. They will go towards that lifting that balance back up. So you want to be one of those things where you want to keep your account balances at that specific amount and then start adding to it for this bonus. Also, internal transfers and interest earned on your account won't count as eligible new funds. These need to be new funds transferred from an external bank account. So that's going to be, a typical external transfer. If you're transferring money in from another bank, like, American Express, Bank of America, Ally, wherever you have an external bank account that you'll be transferring funds to, those are going to be new funds. And that's the way you're going to fund this account for this bonus to be eligible for it. Now, multiple deposits can be made during the funding period to reach the required dollar amount that you're going for. And these deposits can be made by the joint owners for a joint account. Now, after you get that total deposit amount in your account of the new funds during that funding period of that 10 days, next, you'll need to maintain your new funds for 90 days from the end of the 10-day funding period. So even if you meet the amount that you're going for on day 5 of the funding period, just let it sit there. And then after day 10, starts the 90 days of maintaining that amount in your account. And speaking of that amount, there are 3 tiers that you can go for to obtain a bonus for this promotion. So if your new funds total at least $10,000, you could earn a $100 bonus. If your new funds total at least $50,000, then you could earn a $750 bonus. And now if your new funds total at least $100,000, then you could earn a $1,500 bonus. That's right, $1,500. So this bonus has 3 tiers. Of course, that $1,500 jumps out at you, and there's definitely going to be some people that go for that. But if you don't see yourself being able to hit that mark of $100,000, there's also half of that. You can go for the $50,000 of new funds and get a $750 bonus. Or if that's, that's too much right there, you can go for that $10,000 of funds and obtain that $100 bonus. Now, the great thing about this account and this bonus is that you're not just putting new funds in there and just letting them sit, waiting for a bonus and not getting paid any interest. During this whole time of this 90-day waiting period, this whole time where you're depositing funds into this account, you've got a nice APY on this online savings account that's going to be earning you interest on your funds that you've placed into this account. A few examples right here. $10,000 at the current APY of the Marcus by Goldman Sachs online savings account of 3.65% for 3 months. That's going to earn you about $90 worth of interest. More money equals more interest. Let's say you went for the second tier, $50,000. $50,000 at 3.65% APY for 3 months. If that APY stayed the same, that's going to earn you $450 of interest for that money sitting there working for you in that account, just compounding, compounding, compounding. You want more interest? You're going for that $1,500 bonus? Well, $100,000 in this account at 3.65% for 3 months would earn you about $901 of interest. So yeah, not only are you going for a bonus right here, but you've got interest that you're going to be earning as well. And remember, you don't have to hit that new fund requirement of $10,000, $50,000, or $100,000 all at once. You can make multiple deposits during that 10-day funding period to meet that certain amount that you're going for. One thing to keep in mind with the new funds in this account is that you want to make sure those new funds stay at that amount or more, because in this situation right here, you could lose out on the bonus if your new funds amount drops below that threshold. For example, if you were going for the $100 bonus and you had $10,000 in new funds, well, if your account drops below that $10,000 during the maintenance period, that 90-day period, then you would not be eligible for this bonus. However, if that happens during the funding period, that 10-day funding period, then you could basically bump that back up to get that back to $10,000 or more if you wanted to be eligible for the bonus. But it has to be during the funding period. Once you get out of that funding period, you have to make sure that that amount in your account does not drop below that amount that you're going for. For that example, it was $10,000. If it drops below that during the maintenance period, then you're out of all of the bonuses. You wouldn't qualify for any of them. Now, for example, if you're going for the $750 bonus and you had $50,000 in new funds during the funding period, you met it, and then you're in the 90-day maintenance period, but you decide to withdraw some money from your account, and those new funds, that amount goes below $50,000. Now, let's see if you're a new customer or an existing customer. If you're an existing customer, then of course you got your starting balance. Then you've got your new funds amount on top of that. This is strictly for the new funds amount. You don't want to go below anything else because you're going to go below your starting balance. So you want to keep that starting balance the same as well, because when you make a withdrawal, you can't say, just take from the starting balance. Even if you do that, that could still mess you up in this bonus. So this is for people that know they're not going to need this money. They just wanted to sit there, earn some interest while they're waiting on this bonus. So in this example, if you had that $50,000 in new funds during the funding period, you met that, everything's good, then you're in the 90-day maintenance period. Well, if you decide to take out 100,000, however much, and it goes underneath that $50,000, well, then you're bumped down to that other tier of the bonus. You still could be eligible for the bonus. It will just be the $100 bonus now because you would be under the $50,000, but you would still be meeting the $10,000 at least of new funds. So that would just be a shame, wouldn't it, if you just got down to like 49,000 and you're sitting there, you're like, oh, and you get your bonus and it's 100. You're like, what happened? You're like, oh yeah, I took that $1,000 out because yeah, don't do that right there. If you can refrain from doing that, refrain from doing that. And one rock in the road, so to speak, or obstacle or something that could come up that could kind of mess you up with this bonus is if you have a CD account with Marcus by Goldman Sachs that will mature during the offer period or the funding period or during the 90-day maintenance period. Following that 10-day funding period, you should review the maturity instructions and where your money will be going, because any withdrawals to an external bank account may reduce your total balance and could impact your eligibility for this offer in regards to your balance threshold in the new funds deposits. So if you're an existing customer of Marcus by Goldman Sachs, not even just an existing savings account customer, if you're an existing customer who has a CD with them, remember that starting balance is going to include that CD that you have. So if that CD matures and you have it set up where it's going to go to an external bank account after it matures, that's going to mess you up in your starting balance right there if you're enrolled in this bonus. So just keep that in mind, because you may want to switch the maturity instructions on that to just, roll it back into another CD with Marcus by Goldman Sachs, because you'll need to keep those funds in Marcus by Goldman Sachs, because that's going to be part of your starting balance. So may want to think about that if you have a CD with Marcus by Goldman Sachs and you're going for this bonus, just so you don't trip yourself up right there, because you're working at it. You got your money working for you and you're trying to make some more money with this bonus and the interest on this account. You don't want to slip up because you were working at it with the CD account as well. That's good stuff too. If you're doing that, you're earning interest there with that. Marcus by Goldman Sachs has some great CD accounts and they typically have nice yields on them. So if you have one of those going on, just check the maturity instructions instructions. Maybe you want to change that up some for this moment right here in time to keep those funds in Markets by Goldman Sachs in a part of your starting balance. So just keep that in mind right there. And now, you've done the eligibility and sign up. You got that going. Everything's fine with that. When are you going to obtain that bonus? Well, what you need to do definitely, of course, is maintain that new fund amount and your balance, everything. Just keep it like that the same. Your bonus will be deposited into your enrolled account within 14 days after fulfilling all the bonus requirements. So to map this out in a timeline right here, I got it on the screen and I'll also tell you about it. So the timeline for this, you open the account, you enroll the account, or you already have an account and you enroll the account. So you enroll the account, then you have a 10-day funding period from when you enroll your account. 10-day funding period plus the 90-day maintenance period. So the 90-day period to maintain that new funds amount in your account. 90 days for that. So 10 days, 90 days, 100 days. Then at that 100-day mark, your bonus will be paid within 14 days after those 100 days. So that's your timeline right there. So at least at the maximum 114 days from enrollment that you'll have the bonus. Typically with these bonuses, when they say they'll pay you within a week or 2 weeks of fulfilling the requirements, typically I usually get the bonus when I've done these in a day or 2 or 3 after I fulfilled the requirement. So haven't done one for Markets by Goldman Sachs specifically, but there's a chance you'll get that bonus soon after that 100-day mark, or it could be up to that 14 days. So really quick as far as like once it's done, as far as the maintenance period, funding period, all that of obtaining your bonus, just 14 days after that total of 100 days, the funding period and the maintenance period right there. And of course, you want to make sure your account that you've enrolled for this bonus and everything that you had the new funds in and all of that, you want to make sure that account is in good standing. So, just keep it in good standing. Don't do anything sketchy or, that will cause some red flags to pop up with the account. Just keep it solid, stay locked in with it. And then one thing to also keep in mind, that bonus that you receive is going to be treated as interest for tax purposes. So just so you'll know, you'll receive that form in the mail. If you get that bonus in 2026, then you'll need to report it on your 2026 taxes in 2027. You'll get the form in the mail probably January, February. If you're familiar with reporting your taxes, you do it yourself and everything, then you know where to input this, how to go forward with that. If you don't do your taxes, you get someone else to do them, some other service, professional, somebody like that, then just take that form with you with all your other forms that you have with you to do when you get your taxes done, and they'll know how to operate it and input the information and everything there. So yeah, very simple, easy process to obtain the bonus once you've met those requirements right there. It's pretty much just a waiting period with this. So you may be wondering, okay, what if I mess up during this? Something happened, I had to take the money out of the account. This was a nice bonus. I really wanted to get it. I signed up for it in January or February. I was going for it. Something happened. Things happen, life happens. This is a bonus where you can actually try again. Let me show you and tell you about it on the screen right here. So if you fail to qualify for the cash bonus by either not meeting the balance requirements during that 10-day funding period or dropping below the required balances, you may try again by re-enrolling the same account or a different account in the promotion if the offer period is still going, up until right now, currently March 11th, 2026. Now, if you re-enroll the same account, any funds you deposited after January 27th, 2026 at 6 p.m. Eastern time will be counted as eligible new funds. If you enroll a different account, funds already deposited to a previously enrolled account will not count as eligible new funds. So just want to go over that in case you find yourself in a situation where you messed up some, but you really still want to go for this bonus. There is a possibility that you can try again and obtain this bonus. And that is it, everyone, with the information right there on the Markets by Goldman Sachs savings account bonus, where you could earn up to $1,500 and have a nice interest rate going along with it while you're obtaining that bonus. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Take care.